Mr. Chi-town, nigga. We in Harold's Chicken,
nigga. No.
Harold's Chicken, nigga.
It's cold outside.
You ain't no real nigga. You talking about you from the Shot, nigga, and you ain't in Harold's Chicken, motherfucker. You ain't from the motherfucking Shot, nigga.
Right.
Huh? Ain't no nigga. Ain't no nigga.
Motherfucking chicken on the south side.
Ain't no nigga got no video eating fresh, hot Harold's Chicken.
And
usually the smoke come out that shit.
Look at the smoke. Lady rude, cause
this
she ain't
fourth
rude.
White man.
Goddamn it, she do shit in an orderly goddamn fashion.
This that fourth white man.
She ain't rude. She do shit in an orderly
That's that
fashion.
titty, man. That's that breast and sisters, man. That shit, alright. That breast. Fourth white.
We in Chi-town, man. Harold's Chicken, man. Mr. Chi-town, man.
Yep.
We laughing at my motherfucking cousin for I pimp slap all you motherfuckers. You really think I'm playing with y'all?
Salty, man.
I know you better shut them. All y'all better shut the fuck up. Excuse me.
What happened, man?
Everybody, stand down and shut up. Nigga, put your camera up. Y'all laughing. My motherfucking cousin walk in the door.
Nigga, nobody. Oh my God. That's your shit out, nigga.
Oh no, I'm dead motherfucking serious. Cause the more I teach you motherfucking bitches, the dumber I get. You bitches don't get in compliance. And that's more everything I love, nigga. And I don't want to hear your social number. I want to hear your motherfucking LDC number. K94549. That's my number, bitch. What's yours?
B682.
Yeah, alright. Holler that
B682.
Not your social security number. B682. That bitch.
B682, nigga. I done been there, done that.
Thank you.
You did? Been there and done that. Nigga.
Crazy, man. Harold's Chicken, man. Harold's Chicken, man. Chi-town, man. Southside, man. I know how we do, man. This shit crazy, man. You motherfuckers, look. Fresh off the Mr. Chi-town video shoot, man. Niggas tired. They trying to get a piece of chicken up in this motherfucker, man. Motherfuckers about to go in the crib, big. Laying down, get their relaxation on. Everybody good? We out here, 41.